This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Discord to CFX. First, you'll need to access both your CFX server panel and the Discord developer portal. From the developer portal, create a new application and bot, then copy its unique token. Simultaneously, locate your CFX API key within your server's settings. These two crucial pieces of information are the foundation for establishing a secure and functional link between your community on Discord and your CFX server environment. This initial setup is vital for seamless integration. Now, let's focus on your CFX server setup. You'll need to edit your server CFG file to include the Discord bot token you just obtained. This allows your CFX server to communicate directly with Discord. Next, consider setting up Discord webhooks. These are incredibly useful for sending automated messages, like server restarts or player count updates, directly to a designated Discord channel. Ensure your CFX server grants the bot appropriate permissions to execute commands and retrieve information effectively. Moving to Discord, you'll create a new application and bot through the developer portal. Once created, generate an invite link for your bot, ensuring you select the necessary permissions, such as send messages and read message history, to allow it to function correctly within your server. Invite the bot to your desired Discord server. Finally, you'll configure the bot's commands and responses, linking them to actions or data on your CFX server, enabling powerful two-way communication and control. After setting everything up, it's crucial to thoroughly test your integration. Try sending a simple command from Discord that should trigger a response from your CFX server, like a player count request. Monitor both your CFX server console and the bot's console for any error messages or unexpected behavior. If issues arise, double-check all API keys, bot tokens, and ensure all permissions are correctly assigned on both the Discord and CFX sides. Patience and systematic checking will resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.